Hey you guys, so I bought this Nuvo cabinet paint to paint my house because I am working on redoing my house. As you can see, the first layer of paint is up. I gotta do another layer of paint and the trim, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. I'm gonna paint these cabinets. And I will definitely let y'all know how it turns out. Don't mind my counter. We're working on the whole house. I'm just trying to get in bits and pieces where I can. So with this Nuvo cabinet paint, it comes with 2 cans of paint. And I did get light gray. It comes with an edger. It comes with stirring sticks, 2 stirring sticks because you have 2 paints. And it comes with a roller and a replacement roller. And these are all that came in the box. I mean, instructions came as well, but I don't know where I put them at this moment. But we're gonna do this. In between storage, I seen a nice video that said, when you're done with this and with the brush, put them into a bag and place it into the refrigerator until you're ready for your next coat. So I'm going to do that as well. Hopefully I can get everything on video, but as of right now, I'm just taking the knobs off of the cabinets. I did sand them, but when I looked at other videos, it looks like they really sand them. So I'm gonna have to go back and do a couple touches to the to sanding it, see if I can get some of that gloss off. I still see a little bit in certain areas, not on the video because I think the light's reflecting, making it look shiny, but a lot of it is already pre-sanded down. I'm just gonna do it again. Other videos of people doing their cabinets, this was on the inside of the door, which is why they didn't paint it, but I'm gonna paint mine because I don't wanna take all the doors off. So we will see how it turns out. One disclaimer is I am not a professional. I just want my house to look a certain way. So if I do something wrong, you know, I don't see it as like a big deal because this is my house. So I'm just gonna get it as cute as possible. Because this backsplash already brought out the kitchen just a little bit. I feel like this gray is really gonna do it for me.